Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing great. Guys, if you are new here, my name is Mujib Rahman. I live in a small village of district Noshar of Rose. In this video, I want to share you some good tips with you, which I have done in my beginning, and those tips I want to share with you. Many people want to speak English, but they can't. Why they can't speak English? They are not, their grammar is not good. No, my dear, everything is good, but after that, they are not speaking English. Why they are not speaking English? So this video is going to be very interesting because I want to share my own journey in this video. And in the end of this video, I will tell you some good tips. If you are going to follow them, and I can give you guarantee that you will be able to speak English very well. Guys, you can see me. I can speak English very well. I know I am making some mistakes, but if I don't make mistakes, how can I speak? How can I learn? In this video, I want to share some good tips with you, which I have done in my past. When I started speaking English, I did 3 or 4 things, and I would like to share those tips with you. First tip is that you have to speak English with yourself. I know I also live in the village, and I know this thing because many people think if we want to speak English, there is no another person whom I start speaking English. No, my dear, if you don't have another partner, you should start speaking English with yourself. I know it's difficult, but it's not a difficult. If you want to speak English, you will have to do this work. If you are not doing this work, how can you speak? Guys, I want to share my own journey. When I started speaking English, I did this thing. I did not have another partner to speak English. I was alone. But after that, I have remember in these days, I used to speak in front of mirror. It means I was alone. I used to speak English with myself. You don't have to give your 2 or 3 or 4 hours to speak English. You just have to give your 10 minutes with yourself in speaking. Important thing is that you have to be consistent. If I can give you guarantee, if you are doing this work for 3 or 4 months, you will be able to speak English. If you don't have another partner, first thing is that you should start speaking English with yourself. Only 3 or 5 minutes. In the beginning, you should start speaking English only 3 or 5 minutes. After that, day by day, you will increase your time day by day. It happens with everyone. And the second thing is that many people think if we want to speak English, we should have good command over the English. No, my dear, it's not a reality. But the reality is that if you are new and you want to speak English, my dear, let me complete. English is not your native language. English is not your native language. I know you, I think you may be Hindi. Your native language may be Hindi, Sindhi, Marathi, Gujarati, Urdu, many. There are a lot of whatever you are, your English is that. But I want to make you clear that if English is not your native language, and if you have to speak English, you will have to consist. Otherwise, you will not be speaking English. So I would like to tell you the second thing. The second thing is that you should be aware of basic things of grammar. I mean, you should be aware. You know what are the tenses. You should be known about the small sentences, sentence structure, 12 tenses, sentences, and basic narration and basic active passive. If you know these small things, it means you can start speaking English. Yes, guys. And the third thing is that if you don't know vocabulary, I know your vocabulary is good, but many people think if we want to speak English, we will have to remember a lot of words. Otherwise, we will not be speaking English very well. No, my dear, it's not a reality. Today you can see I have not remembered a lot of words, but after that I can speak English very well. I know I am making mistakes, but I am trying, I am improving my English. And if you are doing any kind of work, first you will make mistakes. If you are not making mistake, it means you are not going to be good at your work. And I have told you, I think 2 or 3 things. And the fourth thing is last is that I think you should remember daily 2 or 3 or 4 words of English. If your vocabulary is not good, if your vocabulary is good, it means it's all over. So if your vocabulary is not good, it is not that mean that you can't speak English. You can start speaking English if your vocabulary is not good. But after that, day by day, I know you will be increasing your vocabulary day by day. It means you should start remembering 3 or 4 words, but you can start those words which you have done. And I think whatever I have told you and I have done in my beginning, I have told you. And if you are doing, I can give you guarantee, if you are doing this kind of activities, you will be speaking English very well after some time. I know, guys, this it happens with everyone. English is not your native language, and I can give you guarantee, if you are new and you will have to face some problems. But many people give up in the beginning, and after it they can't speak English very well. You don't have to stop in the beginning. Whatever you know, you can start those topics. If your English and vocabulary and these all English is not good, it means not that, it is not that mean that you can't speak English very well. No, everything comes from learning. And remember one thing, I would like to tell you this last thing in my video. Speaking English never comes from reading. Speaking never comes from writing. Speaking comes from speaking. The more you practice, the more you learn. If you are practicing day by day, it means you are going to improve your English. And in the beginning, I know you will face this kind of problem which I have faced in my beginning. That in first day, you think I am not improving my English, I am just wasting my time. And but you have to consist. Little things have a big importance. If you are changing even a small thing day by day, they can be changed in your big success, my dear. And I know in the beginning you will face this kind of problem, that your mind will be making some kind of yogurt, and you will be getting confused in first day. But you don't have to stop. You don't have to give up in the beginning. It happens with everyone, my dear friend. You are not, English is not easy. Let me tell you one simple truth. My dear, English is not easy for everyone. It's difficult, but it's not difficult for everyone. I want to make you clear one thing, that if you are conscious toward your work, whatever you want to do, not English, not whatever you want to do, you can do that work, but you have to consist. If you are consist toward your work, it means you want to do it. And I would like to tell you my own example, my dear friend. When I started speaking English, I did not know even how to speak English. But after that, I tried to speak English. But today, you can see I can speak. I have started speaking English. I have remembered that I have started my speaking English within 8 or 9 days. That's all. And whatever I had to say, I told you, my dear friend. And English is not easy. And the other thing, it is not difficult. But if you are new, and no problem, in the beginning you will have to face some problem, but it is not difficult, because it is not your native language. That's why you think it's very difficult. But I know in the beginning you will get in your mind, when I have also faced this kind of problems. When I started speaking English at the beginning, I used to know, I remembered a lot of words, but after that, I know how to write, I know how to read, but when it comes to speak, I don't know how to speak. And I know those words which I have used in my tense, but after that I could not use those words in the sentence. When it comes to speak, my mind became empty. What to do, what not to do. But after that, I have remembered today. I would like to share with this thing in front of you. That in the beginning, when I started, I did not even speak 2 or 3 sentences. But after it, I have remembered, I have worked 4 or 8 days. After it, I could not speak even a 3 or 4 sentences together. But after it, I did not give up. I thought, if someone can speak English, why I can? It's not difficult, it's easy. But if you are consistent, my video is going to be very long, and I think I should end up this video. So guys, today in this video, whatever I had to say, I have told you. Never fear, don't give up. If you are speaking, if you are hardworking today, it will work your tomorrow. So guys, if you are watching my video till now, it means you like my video, and please like my video, do comment and subscribe. Okay, we will meet on the next video.